It's time to take your kitchen into the 21st century. Featuring 11 original presets, the Kasturi Smart Air Fryer cooks meals faster than an oven and with up to 85% less fat than traditionally fried foods. Want to unlock your fryer's full potential? Download the VSync app to connect your smart fryer to your smartphone. With VSync, you can browse 100 online recipes personally created by our Kasturi chefs. Something catch your eye? Automatically input settings by selecting the recipe you want, or remotely make adjustments. Schedule cook times hours in advance so you can coordinate every part of the meal while leaving room for a little relaxation. Monitor the progress of your cooking through the app or take a closer look. Save your favorite discoveries for future use and make tweaks to old family recipes. You can even save pictures of the final result. Forgot what it was you made last? Check your cooking history to refresh your memory. Before you're done with one meal, you'll be planning your next. So go ahead, start planning today.
Alexa, ask Moen to turn on warm water.
Running faucet to 86 degrees.
Introducing You by Moen Smart Kitchen Faucet. The ultimate display of intelligence and unmatched precision.
Alexa, ask Moen to fill the baby bottle.
First, I will run the water to temperature.
Fully customizable presets for exact measurements and exact temperatures will make daily tasks a breeze.
When the light is solid, you can wave over sensor for 6 ounces of water at 85 degrees.
Mommy, Sammy's out of water.
Can you help and put the bowl in the sink? Alexa, ask Moen to fill the dog bowl.
Program custom commands using the app, or ask for exact measurements.
Recipe. You're going to need 2 different quantities of water at 2 different temperatures. Hey Google, ask Moen to dispense 1/4 cup of 110-degree water.
Combine specific temperatures and measurements, or mix generic commands with specific commands.
Hey Google, ask Moen to dispense 1½ cups. Now our egg wash is going to ensure perfect browning. You'll need 3 eggs and a tablespoon of water. Hey Google, ask Moen to dispense 1 tablespoon.
Wave over sensor to dispense 1 tablespoon now.
You by Moen Smart Kitchen Faucet also recognizes casual words such as hot, warm, and cold.
Alexa, ask Moen to fill my sink with hot water.
This battery-operated system doesn't require its own dedicated outlet. Turn it on or off with your voice or your hands. You by Moen Smart Kitchen Faucet. Technology aimed to make your life a little bit easier.
Let's start with the basics of setting up and pairing your Cue. Make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi. You're gonna need Wi-Fi the whole time that you're cooking through the Cue. Step 1, let's download the app. You can download the app through either the Google Play or the Apple Store. We're gonna search for Heston Cue. We're gonna go ahead and download. Now that we've downloaded, we're gonna go ahead and open up the app. Step 2, set up your account. Click Get Started. Now we're going to go ahead and sign up for our account. Step 3, pair your pan and burner to the app. Once you've signed in, the app is going to walk you through the rest of your setup. Now we're going to go ahead and connect our burner. Once we've selected our burner, we're going to pick our pan, which we have here. We'll hit Next. Now our pan and burner are successfully paired.